Delhi NCR air quality worsens, AQI breaches 400 mark, enters severe category. The air quality in Delhi NCR deteriorated sharply on day, with the air quality index AQI breaching the 400 mark and slipping into the severe category. The worsening pollution levels have triggered health concerns, prompting authorities to issue advisories and consider emergency measures to mitigate the crisis. According to data from the Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, the average AQI in several parts of Delhi and adjoining NCR regions, including Noida, Ghaziabad, and Gurugram, remained above 400 throughout the day. Some areas even recorded AQI levels nearing 450, indicating a hazardous situation for residents. Primary causes of pollution. Environmental experts attribute the rapid spike in pollution to multiple factors, including stubble burning in neighboring states, vehicular emissions, industrial activities, and adverse meteorological conditions. Calm winds and a dip in temperature have further aggravated the situation, causing pollutants to remain trapped in the air close to the surface. Satellite imagery showed significant crop residue burning activity in Punjab and Haryana over the past week, contributing heavily to the pollutant load over Delhi NCR. Data from SAFRA, System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research, suggested that stubble burning accounted for nearly 25 to 30% of Delhi's pollution levels on the day. Health implications. With the air quality in the severe category, health experts have raised alarms over the adverse impact on public health. The CPCB defines AQI levels between 401 and 500 as severe, which can affect even healthy individuals and pose serious risks to those with pre-existing respiratory and cardiac conditions. Dr. Rakesh Kumar, a pulmonologist at a leading Delhi hospital, warned people are experiencing breathing difficulties, coughing, and eye irritation. Long-term exposure to such high levels of pollution can lead to chronic respiratory diseases, weakened immunity, and cardiovascular issues. Hospitals across the city have reported a rise in patients with respiratory distress, asthma attacks, and other pollution-related ailments. Government response. In response to the crisis, the Delhi government has intensified its anti-pollution measures under the Graded Response Action Plan (GRAP). Key measures include 1. Ban on construction activities. Non-essential construction work has been temporarily halted to control dust pollution. 2. Restrictions on vehicle movement. The odd-even vehicle rationing scheme may be reintroduced if pollution levels continue to worsen. 3. Ban on diesel generators. Strict enforcement against the use of diesel generators in residential and commercial areas. 4. Sprinkling of water and anti-smog guns. Efforts to reduce dust particles by sprinkling water on roads and deploying anti-smog guns have been ramped up. The Delhi government has also urged citizens to minimize outdoor activities, especially during early morning and late evening hours when pollution levels peak. Additionally, people have been advised to use N95 masks while stepping out. Residents' reactions. Residents of Delhi NCR have expressed frustration over the recurring pollution crisis, with many questioning the effectiveness of the authorities' measures. Every year, we face the same problem. Despite all the promises, nothing seems to change. Our children are the worst affected, said Meena Sharma, a resident of East Delhi. Many people have also resorted to installing air purifiers at home and avoiding outdoor physical activities to safeguard their health. Schools in some parts of Delhi have started suspending outdoor sports activities to protect children from prolonged exposure to polluted air.